collection is all about taking it back to basics. We've put everything in here to give you your full face of gorgeous in an easy breezy, super simple way. So the first step is of course going to be our foundation, and it's hydrogel foundation. You know it, you love it. It's the foundation that's good for all skin types. And what's great about this is it's really a hybrid between a tinted moisturizer and a foundation. So the consistency is going to be really, really lightweight on the skin, but it gives you this beautiful semi-matte real skin finish. So I'm going to go ahead and just take a little bit here on my number 4 brush, which is fantastic for just airbrushing any imperfections right out of the skin. You'll see I have some blemishes here that I'm covering up, some redness, you name it, I'm covering it up with hydrogel. And I love that we're going into summer right now, and so I can have something that feels really lightweight on my skin that doesn't really feel or look like makeup. So you will know exactly what I mean once you try hydrogel. It's so cooling on the skin, which I also love. So if you get like trapped heat and really sensitive skin like I do, this is going to be such a winner for you. So next up in our Back to Basics kit is going to be the brows. So brows are something that I always struggle with. My brows are super moody depending on the day. They actually can do exactly what I want them to, or they're totally misbehaving. So I love that the Archmaster gives me 3 products in one. I've got my pencil, I've got my fibers here right in the middle, and then the grand finale is the brow gel. So this is great, especially for someone like me who's a busy mom. Sometimes I just like to put this on in the morning, and it's my one step to like the perfect styled brow. So today I'm going to go ahead and use the pencil and the gel, and you'll see how easy this is. This is a universal shade, so I love that you just don't have to choose a shade. I can go in, I can fill in my brows, get them looking nice and even. And when you do fill in your brows, you want to remember that you're always going to start at that inner corner of the eye and then end right at that outer corner. So this makes it super easy to do that. When you put this on, you also control the pressure. So if you need a darker color, you can put a darker pressure. And if you need something that's a little bit lighter, you can just go a little bit lighter. So then I'm going to go ahead and finish with the brow gel. This is amazing, and I think this is worth its weight in admission, right? So this is super tiny applicator, so you can get really precise application. And when I put this on, I'm not pressing heavy. I'm hardly touching my brows at all, but it just gives style and sculpting, and it just makes the brows look natural, if that makes sense. Like they haven't been filled in at all, which I just love. And again, a lot of times I just use this by itself with nothing else. So next up is going to be 2 of my absolute must-haves, cannot live without favorite Holy Grail products. Okay, can you tell I love them? So first I'm going to go ahead and apply my lip color. This is in Femme Fatale and Famous. I love that I can wear these by themselves if I want. So you've got that lipstick on one side. For me, I'm somebody that doesn't really love a bold lip color. I love that color that just looks like my lip color, but just slightly enhanced. And that's what you get here. And it's so funny. This is a favorite of our dolls around the world. It's by far our best-selling lip combo. That's why I wanted to put it in our Back to Basics kit. So you just saw me go ahead and apply the lipstick, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of the gloss right now. Here's the thing, right? This isn't sticky at all. It's not tacky. It's not heavy. You're getting so many great lip-loving ingredients in here, like jojoba oil, vitamin E, things that really treat and condition your lips without making you feel like you want to wipe it off right away, which can happen, honestly, with a lot of lip products. So the grand finale of our Back to Basics collection is our Effort Lash Mascara. If you haven't tried this, I promise, once you put this on your lashes, you're going to have an instant addiction. This is a 6-in-1 mascara, so it's actually going to do 6 things. It's going to curl, condition, lengthen, volumize, style, and separate your lashes. It has ionic technology, just like when you style your hair, because your lashes are hair too. And in just 2 coats, you're going to see such a dramatic impact in your lashes. I'll show you right now what I mean. The brush just allows you to get every little lash that you never even knew you had. And if you're somebody like me that has really short, straight lashes that don't hold a curl, okay, let me show you what I mean. That's amazing, right? So again, back to basics. Even if you're not wearing any other makeup, mascara makes such a huge impact. 2 other really great things that I love about this. It's easily removed with your makeup remover, but it doesn't flake and it doesn't smear and it doesn't clump. So it's a win-win all around. And I think summertime is totally the time where we all want to go back to basics, right? We just kind of like want to reboot, start fresh. Maybe we're not wearing as much makeup, but everything in this collection has been hand selected for you to really take you back to those makeup basics. Make it simple, make it easy, and make it fun. So that's it. It's that simple to get back to the makeup basics. We want to make it simple and easy for you dolls. That's what we're here for. So thanks so much for following along. Don't forget to subscribe below if you want some more tips and tricks on how to get dolled up in 10 minutes or less. And I look forward to seeing you guys here real soon. Bye.